In this video, we'll look at how the user, the learner, experiences learning on a Calibrae powered site. Now, I belong to the SIP group, so from the SIP group landing page, I log in and right away we see all of my enrolled courses. Now, some of them have been assigned to me by the training and development team. Now, they'll have already added me to the data science learning pathway, a pathway comprising 3 courses: data science tools, the power of data, and databases SQL. And I've got some courses like SIP Advanced and First Steps here that I've chosen for myself from the course catalogue. Now, some of these courses are authored and hosted by the SIP Group Training and Development team, and others are third-party courses from third-party providers like edX, Pluralsight, and others. So jumping into a hosted course, well, I get straight down to learning, working my way through a series of learning activities, including videos that I can watch and learn from, articles that I can read through and study, presentations, and best of all, learn by doing exercises. Each concept can be addressed from a host of perspectives. Through inputting data, the exercise engine has us sorting, truing and falsing, identifying, sequencing, arranging, and so on. No mindless repetition. Every question makes us think, each one auto-generated from data. It's a really effective tool to help me learn. Now, if I like, I can ask questions and perhaps contribute to those already posed. Some courses, like this one, have formal exams, a place for me to prove my newfound skills under formal test conditions, all from within the platform. Exams are generated on the fly, meaning that although they test on the same things, no 2 exams are exactly alike. Now, some of my courses, well, they'll use a blended learning approach with live webinars or even face-to-face sessions. In amongst all the self-paced activities, there's a meeting room where, at the allotted time, I can meet up with instructor and fellow learners to discuss and learn together real time. For third-party courses, like this one from edX, well, entering the course takes me over to the edX portal, from where I can then work through their learning activities. As a learner, I really like how, although I've got different courses from different providers, I can access them all from one portal. The training and development team, on the other hand, well, they really like how they can supplement their own courses with so many third-party courses in their learning pathways. Now, as a learner, it's easy to see my progress through my courses. For these hosted courses here, well, progress is tracked automatically, and with third-party courses, I just pop back and update my progress after each study. So with progress tracked for all of us learners, it's easy for the training and development guys to see how we in the data science learning pathway are doing. For the SIP Advanced course, overall we're 9% mastered, and looking at the league table, well, it's clear that most haven't started yet, meaning that me, Dave, well, I'm the highest performer right now. They'll see that I'm 26% towards completion, and drilling down, if they want to, they can see how I got on with each individual activity. The platform provides great progress metrics for the user and for management. Now, there might be times when, as a learner, I'd like some extra study to support my formal learning. So from the course catalogue, well, I can search courses purposefully added by the training and development team, or I can search the thousands of courses from third-party providers. This one looks interesting. Yes, I'll self-enroll, and now it's listed in my courses, ready for me to study. Note how this one's a free course. Some will have a cost. Okay, finally then, let's take a look at the tools I have to help my professional development. In this scenario, the training and development guys have produced a competency framework, complete with examples of expected behaviours at each level, level 1, level 2, and so on. And they've added an organisational target to develop a more data-driven workforce. Now, in my competency profile, we see that I'm currently operating at level 1 in communication, working towards level 2. And for teamwork, right now, I'm just working towards level 1. So, understanding the organizational needs and with some ideas of my own, I can use my personal development plan to help plan, give focus to, and monitor my professional development effort over time. Now, this plan was started back in April when my mentor and I set a target to become more aware of the role of good data. That one's aligned to the company target, with tasks to study this course and to work on this data project. And we added a second target, this one linked to the teamwork competency framework, comprising just one task to receive mentoring from John. Now, the PDP was set up with 4 formal reviews. We've had 3 already, one of which sadly highlighted concerns with my progress. But fortunately, with some suggestions from my mentor, well, I've been able to pull everything back to on target and am now on track to accomplish the plan by the next review. Okay, I hope you get a feel now for the learner experience on a Calibrae hosted site. I can study courses allocated to me by the training development team. I can search for and study courses that interest me, either courses authored by the site or those provided by third parties. I can take exams, and I've got access to great professional development tools that will help me keep focus and track my professional development efforts.